That's it. Will deflate a little bit because the sand is very soft. هلا والله. So if you want to drive on the sand, you need to deflate your tires to 15 psi or 20 psi is okay. And when you drive, don't stop, because now you stop. That's why you stop. You took pictures, and when you start to move, stuck. Yeah, that's why. Another day, another rescue. Super. They should call it Sandcruiser, not Landcruiser. Toyota changed the name to Sandcruiser, not Landcruiser. Okay, bro. Go inside. Okay. Go back a little bit. Put that. Go back a little bit. Make tire straight.
Straight?
Yeah, straight to the left.
No, straight?
Left, left, left. This side. Go back a little bit. Go back. Little bit. Slowly. Yeah, go back. Go back. Okay, enough. Now go front.
Speed?
Little bit. No, not speed. Little bit. Yeah, yeah. Little bit. Wait. Now go back again. Go, go. Yeah, enough. Now speed.
Speed?
Yeah, more speed. That's it. So excited. You see the holes? This side was stuck, actually more than this side. It was on the side little bit, on the left side. Yeah, sand Landcruiser. Deflate and go, that's it. Super.